Again, back on Bando FM. Sinibulise ke namhlanje. We are out live. Silaphe Westville. We got our nigga here kuthiwa ngunigga D ngumculi. Usenzela umculo ke we rap. Sizambuza ke mibuzo bemfutshanana nje nge life yakhe nomculo. Mr. D, nigga D masikwamukele enqubeni.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's your boy, nigga D from Pop Shasteen. Yeah, now I have a brand new album that is coming out. Me featuring Eminem. I wanna say to the club, all the niggas in the club, tech, man. I wanna say tech to my man who fucked me up when I go to try to play me award for Shasteen. All the niggas in the club, tech, man. We out. Yeah, it's your boy, nigga D. Yeah, tech, man.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Ngozi. Nigga D, you said a lot njengalomntu sizwana wenze ingoma no Eminem, Grammy Award and nale niggas in the club. Now ufuna ukubuza kudala ukhona lento sewenze ne-Eminem so une-Grammy Awards clarify kule nto le.
Yeah, thank you. It's been a while in this music industry, pulling up some CDs for everybody. Like I started doing this shit when I was young, up to the age of about 9 years. Yeah, I've got a song with Jay-Z. The song said that must go to Kenny song baba. I've got a song with Eminem, eating izani nonge kaya sibeleni Africa. I've got a song with Bruno Mars, eti matande yena mantombazana. I've done some songs with Tupac, rest in peace, R.I.P. to Tupac. I said tech, man, to you too, man. I've done a song with MJ. Yeah, it's been a while, yeah.
Mr. Danza, you are very big. Ka usithi ungakho now. Awunamculo siwaziyo, let's say ozayo album. I don't know. Do you have something coming out this summer?
I've got my single that's coming out. Yeah, it is called Maralisa. It is a song that was done by my nigga Louvers, but we call him in the music industry Young Jana. I've got the song Gomorrah. I did it with K-Stack, featuring K-Stack. I've got a song featuring Louvers, the guy we call Young Jana. It is called Nostalgia. There's the other one that is coming up soon, and the album is coming up. Yeah, man. I've got a debut album that is coming up. Yeah, tech, man. All the niggas in the club, tech, man. Yeah.
Okay, so abantu basifumana njani ngoma zakho? How do you find your songs?
Download. You go to the YouTube, you download. You go to the WhatsApp, you download. And my song is downloadable. Yeah. You need to download. Yeah.
It can be handled Facebook, WhatsApp,
Facebook, IiSouls. Twitter, IiSouls. Instagram, IiSouls. YouTube, IiSouls. You follow me up. Tech, man. What up, tech, dog?
Nigga Danzo, thank you for being with us namhlanje. Siyabulela. Masivale ke thina kwiBando FM City. Thank you for being with us.
Yeah. Just vote. Download. So nigga D, all A team, you got me farming the soul tech, man. Yeah, we out.